Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog, I'm in the hospital. This is my third day. I had my surgery, spine surgery, and it's been 3 days I've been bed. It's been 3 days I did not get up. It's been 3 days I did not walk. It's been 3 days I did not let go. So a little bit having a headache and pain on my back. I really pain. Okay, so the doctor is a little bit worried for that. And I have also a blood clot. Okay guys, so you ain't been nice. Yeah. If I don't show up again, 10-year-old or the other years. Like, okay guys, thank you so much. Please pray for me. Love you all. Bye for now. Okay, hi guys. So that's my new walker. Yun ang new walker ko ngayon. And today I walked to the washroom. Then from bed to the washroom. Okay. So maya daw maglakad ako. Yan yung wheelchair na iuwi ko. I'm gonna take that home. Okay guys. 3 days ko mahihiram yun.
Just be careful.
Hello guys, so today is my 5th day recovery. So, ito, bisita ko ng kaibigan ko. Ada ka?
Ha?
Ada ka? Tulungan niya akong nag-toilet.
Live stream ka ba?
Hindi.
Oo.
Paano lang. Tinulugan niya ako ng toileting, walking. So, my friend helped me to do the toileting, walking, hair care. Nagadugan kinwan.
Nagadute?
Kinwan.
I can be your private. I can be your private nurse.
Okay guys, so that's it for today.
Is your pain any better now?
Yeah.
And I just have,
Okay. So we do this like maybe get that one, get a very tiny small glass,
are you
you
feeling
fold
dizzy?
it.
Okay guys, so this is my last meal at the BGH. So they're gonna discharge me now. So here's my food. Okay guys, thank you so much. This is my food today. Highlands. Okay, I told my doctor to, I said my sister coming to walk me. So may nakapipag na. Uri, 5 lang isted dati ata ni walker ko na. Oh, the walker ko. Ito. Anak pa naman kasao. Tinapigsa. Ang last meal ko dito sa Vancouver General Hospital. So uwi na ako. And thank you to all the surgeon, nurses, and doctors, and everyone who helped me here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you.
Here's your pills. There's pain medication there.
Thank you.